तेरी है ज़मीं तेरा आसमां, तू बड़ा मेहरबान, तू बख्शिश कर। सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे तू बख्शिश कर. A very cheerful morning to one and all presented here. We, on the behalf of Sri Sohanlal Manihar Girls Family, presenting you the assembly by class 8. I hope you enjoy, because school going can wait but assembly can't. So without any further ado, let's get started.
आपका दिन शुभ हो.
A daily course gives you inspiration and encouragement to step forward positively in your life. Absorb ideas, advice and wisdom from people of different backgrounds and experiences. Good morning one and all. I, Prachitak of class 8, is here to present the thought. The thought for today is, those who can see invisible can do impossible. Thank you and have a marvelous day.
Updating ourselves every day is good, never-ending habit. We should always have this type of habit which show our awareness towards our nation, towards our society, and that is only possible when we eager or fond of it. Now, I, Disha Prith, will make us apprise by today's news.
A very happy and cheerful good morning to one and all. I, Sam of class 8A, here I am representing some news headlines in front of you. National news. Kerala forest officials take one person in custody over pregnant elephant killing. Intel agencies submit report on China's activity along leg to government. Aviation ministers target July for resuming commercial international flights. Corona live global cases cross 3 million mark. Lockdown state build walls, trenches on border. 58 die of COVID-19 infection, highest in a day. Be ready to woo companies quitting China, PM. Cyclone Amphan claimed 72 lives in Bengal, destroyed 2 districts. Now some international news. Donald Trump trying to divide America, says former Pentagonal Chief Jim Mattis. United Kingdom Indian origin Minister Alok Sharma tested for coronavirus. 40 primary students, teachers stabbed by security guard in primary school in China. Russian President Vladimir Putin declared state of emergency over Siberian fuel spill. Second Chinese city orders mass testing for COVID-19 after Wuhan. Thank you and have a twistful Thursday.
To rejoice our morning, let us call daffodils to cheer up our morning vibes. I, Yashashvi Jain of class 8, presenting in front of you was what excellent piece of nature's work. So I wandered lonely as a cloud. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over vales and hills. But all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils. Besides the lakes beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze, continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretched at never-ending line along the margin of the bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in a sprightly dance, tossing their heads in a sprightly dance. Thank you and have a great day.
Mother and motherland are greater than heaven. So to show devotion towards motherland, please get ready in attention position for national anthem. Thank you. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविण उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे